Hey guys, welcome to the 12th episode of my drift life. Today I'm gonna try a new things here in this Sonoma event. It is using third gear the very first time for drifting. Higher gear means higher speed and much less tolerance of mistake. So it's from the first gear to the second gear, you definitely feel it's way easier to spin out. While you're drifting, it's harder to maintain the drifting while you are in high speed. But of course, it's higher excitement, higher accomplishment if you can make it. For some layout, for example, in Summer Jam, it is much better by using third gear because the driving line within Summer Jam is designed by using third gear, which has about 60 miles per hour. If you're using low gear, which is what I was previously using, I mean second gear, and I actually figure out a lot of turns need to make two more transition before I actually can get to the certain turning points, and it also make the driving line very weird and cannot surpass the right angle and speed. So after around 4-5 run from the Summer Jam, this time as a warm-up, I tried the very first time by using third gear. Here's the one that I'm using the third gear for drifting. Although I'm not able to make it through the whole track, as you can see, the first couple turns are actually much more smoother and the transition is way more sexier. I'm almost able to link it through all turns, but I still feel like I'm still lacking some of the gut to make that happen. So I'll try better next time. So after that, we cool down the car a little bit and we go to the ski pad after 6 o'clock. Sun's setting a little bit sooner. Usually the sky gets dark right after 7. So we didn't have enough light to capture all the footage, but I hope you guys can still enjoy it. I'll try my best to adjust the lighting. You guys may know from the title that today also has another surprise. My friend Johnny also start drifting as a driver. He has been sitting in the car for a while. Keep watch and learn. For your info, guys, he only learned stick shift a month ago. Which makes me really surprised that with such a short time he has such good throttle and clutch controlling. While because as you guys know, maybe drifting is way stressful. You have to handle G-force. You have to be able to control the steering wheel angle on the go. At the same time, the throttle control and the clutch is also the key to keep you sliding over. So what he has been doing is he has a couple sessions at my home, trying my simulation, and that's all he got. And he can quickly pick up how to let the tail get loosened by clutch kicking from the idle, and he start kicking in and start a couple seconds, which is a lot for the first time donuting. And by the end of the day, he's able to do some small donuts, and he's totally do more sliding with his G35 in the future. So I probably will have a drift body later when we start learning tandem. Here is my number one rules of thumb. Everyone start from somewhere. It is nothing about your knowledge or talent or anything, because by the end of the day it's all about sit time. If you got enough sit time, if you want to practice more, even though if you have talent or not, you should still be able to pick it up now or later. So after that, I just finished a couple more sessions in the ski pad, because the donut area was closed at 8, and then we still have about an hour to practice on the ski pad. So just like me, after start drifting for about 4 months, about 8 events so far, and to be honest, I didn't do anything else except for the drifting event itself. So the sit time, for example, every event I should have about an hour driving, but I still can progress a little bit. So the real hard is the decision itself. If you decided to move forward to start drifting, you will always achieve to your goal. So here wraps up for tonight. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like it if you like it. As always, I will see you guys next video.